In this demonstration, we are going to discuss the whiteboard function for the PNL series. In whiteboard mode, the entire screen becomes a whiteboard that allows you to draw and take notes. You can draw using a pen or using your finger. We are going to start the demonstration using our finger. First, select Drawing after powering on the board. There are up arrows on either side of the screen that will display your functions. There are 3 different pen palettes. To select your pen palette settings, tap the palette twice. These pen palettes can be programmed to easily allow switching between pen and highlighter, as well as change the thickness and color. Selecting the gesture function allows you to zoom in and out of whatever is displayed on the whiteboard. To erase something you have done, there are 3 options. The first option is to select the undo arrow from your functions bar. This will undo your actions one at a time. Another option is to lay your whole hand flat on the screen until you see the circle and erase like a whiteboard. The final option is to select the erase button from your functions bar. With this function, the user has the option to select how big the eraser is. When using the drawing function, you can use up to 10 sheets. To add a sheet, select the plus button. To switch between the sheets, use the arrows on either side. If you would like to delete the sheet that you are on, select the X. In the functions bar, you will see an option icon. Selecting that gives you options to save your sheets, delete your sheets, or import images. Also in Options, you have the ability to switch to pen mode. Select Options and select Settings. A menu bar will appear. Select Draw Only with Pen, then select OK. Switching to pen mode, you can still edit your pen selections the same way you previously did. While using pen mode, there is an additional way to erase content. This is by using the opposite side of the pen like a regular pencil. The gesture icon is no longer displayed. When using the pen function, anytime you use your finger, it is a gesture function. This concludes the whiteboard mode function for the PNL 651H.